ladies and gentlemen. Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. At a 3-unit building right now, just doing a walkthrough on it. Just checking on a few things. We're currently in negotiations with the seller, helping a client partner of ours to acquire this property. It's a 3-unit, pretty much move-in ready. Just a few items we had to get squared away, but really just wanted to drop in and let you guys know, if you are thinking about selling a property in the Stark or Summit County areas, especially the surrounding suburbs, definitely consider giving us a call, 330-685-2220. Reason is we do buy houses in as-is condition. We don't charge any real estate commission fees, and we can pay your closing costs. We can close in 30 days or less, and we pay cash. All right, so if you want a private, quiet sale with no for sale sign, you don't have to deal with unqualified buyers who are going to waste your time and ask for all kinds of inspections, consider giving us a call. You can visit our website if you want more information, www.investparamount.com.